Canva creators, you can't sell your design until you know this. You can't just share a link to your Canva design. Most people who are trying to list their Canva designs for the first time on Etsy or their website are getting stuck on how to actually deliver the Canva design to their customers, because platforms like Etsy need an actual file to deliver. And also, if you end up sharing the wrong link, well, then that means customers can end up changing your original design without you even realizing it. So in this video, I'm going to show you the exact two-step method that I use to safely and professionally deliver my Canva templates to customers without using any other tools outside of Canva. I want to show you this so that you can do the same. Let's dive in. So now I'm inside my Canva account and I've pulled up one of my recent designs that I plan to sell as a template. It's a design I made for a poster to celebrate my daughter's first birthday. Now that I'm in the Canva design, I'm going to go up to the share button here in the top right. I'm going to go to this button that says See All, which is going to give me some more sharing options. And I'm going to click the one that says Template Link. You'll see there's a little crown on top of this icon. That means it's a Canva Pro feature. So you do have to have a Canva Pro account in order to share template links. So I'm going to click Template Link here. And you'll see there's a purple button that says Create Template Link. I'm going to click that. And you see it generates a URL right here. Now this is the link you'll want to share to customers so that they don't edit your original design. So I'm going to then copy this link by hitting the copy button right here. Now I'm going to another tab, and what I have pulled up right now is a design for what I call the template delivery page. This is a one-page PDF that I deliver to customers that contains the template link that we just copied over. You'll see it has a brief preview of the template that they've just purchased, some language to thank them, and instructions on how to access the file. And then here's the important part. This is where I put the link to the template. So I'm going to just modify this text a little and give it the name of the template. I'll call it the first birthday poster. And then after I give the name of my file, I'm going to highlight all this text. See how there's a little link icon that pops up? We'll zoom in a little bit. I'm going to click that link, and here I'm going to paste the link that I copied over from the first tab. See how it pasted over here? And just a reminder, I got that link from the template link generated from the design. I'm going to hit done, and I know that it applied that URL because now my text is underlined. And then I would modify this text a little bit to have my email address. And by the way, this is actually a template file that I've created as part of my Canva Templates That Sell course. So this is actually one of the assets that I include. I'm going to make a few modifications. I'm going to put my email. Oops. Now that I fixed that email, now I'm going to download this as a PDF. I'm going to change it to PDF standard. And I only want the current page to be downloaded as a PDF. There's other pages in these files because I have different layouts that I've created for my template delivery page, but we're just going to go with the one I most commonly use on page 1. I'm going to hit download. That's downloaded in the background. So now let's go take a look at the file. I'm going to open it from my downloads folder. And here is that PDF. And if I click on this link here, you'll see it opens up that template link URL, and it says the template created by my company is now being shared with you. So the customer who has bought my template will get the PDF. So this file right here, they're going to get this file delivered to them automatically. Then they're going to be able to click this link, and then that opens this URL. And when they click Edit Template, a copy of my poster design will open up in their Canva account. And they can edit it and do whatever they want with it without it affecting my original poster design. And this is the same process that I use to deliver any of the Canva templates that I sell to my customers. And that's it. Your Canva design is now a customer-ready digital product that you can deliver with nothing but Canva. But this is just one piece of the puzzle. Inside my mini course, Canva Templates That Sell, I actually walk you through my full method to turn your existing designs into polished, sellable products in 7 days or less. And I cover everything from choosing high potential designs that are sitting in your Canva account right now, to packaging, pricing, and promoting them as templates that you can sell as digital products, even if you don't have a big audience. And inside the course, you'll also get access to that template delivery page design that I was showing you during the demo. And it has multiple layout options so you can easily package and deliver one or a bundle of Canva templates on any selling platform. Again, this can work on Etsy, Gumroad, or other popular marketplaces, or any website that has an e-commerce feature. So if you're ready to get paid for what you already made, then the next step is to check out my course, Canva Templates That Sell. You can click the link below this video to check out the course, and I hope to see you inside. Thanks again for watching.